Hey, good morning everyone. Let's celebrate the birthday of one of our friend here, good friend. Online account. She's turning 24. Happy birthday. Let's check. I will click for him. Online account. Alay good Zoom. Geberstag. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, have a good health, more birthdays to come, and may the good Lord bless you and keep you always. May your heart's desire grant you by our Lord God. Okay, let's see what's inside. Of course, I love this store, always buying this cake. It's not pricey, but it's a good quality. I love cake. You love cake too? Okay, let's see. Wait, let me put out. Let's see what's inside. Careful, Michael. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's see what's the design. Happy birthday to you. Online. HBD online account from SES family, SES community, SES 2280. Thank you so much for supporting me also. This is for you. Okay, let's put your favorite color. We have here blue and red. I see. Happy birthday. Look at my headband now, It's not bunny, but it's happy birthday because it's your special day. Look at this, blue. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. Enjoy. Thank you so much too for your support. See you later. God bless you, and wish and hope that your YouTube channel will grow. Will grow as your wish to have how many subscribers? I hope and wish you have it. Because you are hardworking for it, God bless you. Happy birthday again. Thanks guys for coming. Let's celebrate later. Bye bye.